In a quiet village surrounded by hills, there lived an old lady named Mary. Despite her frail figure and wrinkled skin, Mary was known for her cheerful smile and boundless energy. She believed happiness was a choice, not a condition, and she lived by this motto every day. Mary's life wasn't easy. She had lost her husband and children to the hardships of time, but she never let grief consume her. Instead, she found joy in simple things: a blooming flower, the chirping of birds, and the laughter of children playing near her small cottage. Each morning, Mary baked bread and shared it with her neighbors. "Be happy every time," she would say as she handed them a loaf. Her kindness became contagious, and soon, the entire village embraced her mantra. One stormy evening, a traveler seeking shelter knocked on Mary's door. She welcomed him with warmth and shared her modest meal. The traveler, a wealthy merchant, was moved by her generosity. Before leaving, he gifted her a pouch of gold coins, saying, "Your happiness is a treasure greater than wealth." Mary used the money to improve the village, building a school and a well. Her acts of kindness brought prosperity and joy to everyone around her. As years passed, Mary's story spread far and wide. People traveled to meet the old lady who taught the world that happiness is found in giving, gratitude, and appreciating life's little moments. Mary lived to be 100, her smile never fading, proving that happiness is timeless and limitless. Her legacy remains in the village, where a plaque reads, "Be happy every time, for happiness grows when shared."